Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss derivative of function with respect to another function. Derivative of function with respect to another function. If fx and phi x are two functions of x, fx and phi are x two functions of x, then to find the derivative of x as fx with respect to phi x. First function का derivative with respect to second function करना है हमें, okay? We put first function as y is equals to x, fx, and second function as z is equals to phi x. Now dy upon dz is equals to dy upon dx is divided by dz upon dx. Now we are going to discuss exercise 7.8 from first question. Differentiate this one with respect to this. So first function is y and second function is z. Okay. Question number first. Y is equals to x square upon 1 plus x square and z is equals to x square. Okay, so dy by dx by quotient rule, derivative of denominator square, denominator as it is, derivative of numerator x square is 2x minus x square as it is, derivative of denominator 1 constant derivative is 0, x square is 2x. Okay, 2x with 1 that is 2x, 2x with x square 2x cube, x square minus x minus of x square with 2x that is minus of 2x cube is divided by 1 plus x square whole power 2. 2x cube is cancelled out with plus 2x cube, so overall dy upon dx is equals to 2x upon 1 plus x square whole power 2. Okay. Similarly, dz upon dx, x square derivative is 2x. Okay. क्या करना है? Differentiate this one with respect to this. First function as y and second function as z. So derivative of y with respect to z. Therefore, dy upon dz is equals to dy upon dx is divided by dz upon dx. दोनों वैल्यूज अपने पास हैं, वैल्यू पुट कर दीजिए. 2x upon 1 plus x square whole power 2 is divided by dz upon dx that is 2x. 2x is cancelled out with 2x, so our answer is 1 upon x square 1 plus x square whole power 2. So first question is this. Derivative of first function with respect to second. First function here y and second function here z. So dy upon dz, this is equals to dy upon dx is divided by dz upon dx. Okay beta. Next question, question number 2. Yes beta. Differentiate this one with respect to this. Okay, first function is tangent x, tangent square x that is y. The second one is cos square x that is z. Okay, second question, first part. Y is equals to tangent square x and z is equals to cos square x. Okay, dy upon dx power rule, power आगे 2 tangent x का secant square x. Okay बेटा, dz upon dx cos square x का 2 cos x और cos x का रह गया that is minus of sin x. पावर रूल, पावर आगे एक पावर कम, 2 cos x का minus of sin x. Therefore dy upon dz is equals to dy upon dx is divided by dz upon dx. 2 tangent x into secant square x is divided by minus of 2 cos x into sin x. ओके बेटा, अब इसको सॉल्व करते हैं थोड़ा. टेंजेंट x इक्वल टू sin x अपॉन cos x and secant square x is equals to 1 upon cos square x. Sin x already here and 1 cos x with minus 2. 2 is cancelled out with 2, sin is cancelled out with sin. So minus 1 upon cos power 4x. So our answer is minus of secant power 4. 1 upon cos is secant, cos power 4 that is secant power 4. ये आपका आंसर है क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड की फर्स्ट पार्ट का. ओके बेटा, फिर एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ। टेंजेंट स्क्वायर x का डेरिवेटिव करना है, पावर रूल पावर आगे, टेंजेंट x एज इट इज, टेंजेंट x का डेरिवेटिव सेकंड स्क्वायर x, ओके। सिमिलरली dz upon dx पावर रूल पावर आगे 2 cos x का माइनस sin x, therefore dy upon dz is equals to dy upon dx is divided by dz upon dx 2 tangent x secant square x upon 2 cos x sin x। फिर हमने क्या किया, टेंजेंट x को sin x upon cos x एंड secant square को 1 by cos square सॉल्व किया, 1 upon cos power 4 that is minus of secant power 4। this is our answer, question number second first part, okay। next question, derivative of differentiate x power x with respect to x dot log x, okay, x dot log x। so y is equals to x power x and z is equals to x dot log x, taking log on both sides। log हम कब लगाते हैं दोनों साइड पे, जब वेरिएबल की पावर वेरिएबल on both sides, okay। so log y is equals to x dot log x, डेरिवेटिव करते हैं log y 1 upon y, y का dy upon dx, x as it is log x का 1 upon x plus log x as it is x का 1, x is cancelled out with x, so dy upon dx is equals to 1 plus log x into y, put the value of y here, y is x power x, okay, x power x 1 plus log x। डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x पावर x इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, याद कर लीजिए, x पावर x into 1 plus log x होता है, dz upon dx by product rule x as it is log x का 1 upon x plus log x as it is x का 1, dz upon dx is equals to 1 plus log x, ओके बेटा। लास्ट स्टेप, dy upon dz is equals to dy upon dx is divided by dz upon dx, x power x into 1 plus log x upon 1 plus log x, 1 plus log x is cancelled out with 1 plus log x, so our answer is x power x। उम्मीद करता हूँ सभी को क्लियर हो गया होगा ये क्वेश्चन, ओके बेटा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, question number third, yes beta, differentiate this one with respect to this, okay। question number 3 first part, y is equals to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square, and z is equals to tangent inverse x, put x is equals to tangent theta and theta is equals to x is equals to tangent theta, okay। y is equals to cos inverse 1 minus tangent square theta upon 1 plus tangent square theta, ओके बेटा। और ये होता है cos 2 theta, cos of 2 theta, y is equals to 2 theta, theta is equals to tangent inverse x, theta is equals to tangent inverse x, y is equals to 2 tangent inverse x, dy upon dx 2 upon 1 plus x square, dz upon dx tangent inverse x का डेरिवेटिव 1 upon 1 plus x square, okay। therefore dy upon dz, dy upon dx is divided by dz upon dx, put the value of dy upon dx that is 2 upon 1 plus x square is divided by 1 upon 1 plus x square, 1 upon 1 plus x square cancel out हो गया, 2 is our answer। थर्ड के फर्स्ट पार्ट का आंसर बेटा 2 है, क्लियर सभी को। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, y is equals to tangent inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x, and z is equals to cos inverse x square. Put x square is equals to tangent theta. Sorry, x square is equals to cos theta and theta is equals to cos inverse of x square. ओके बेटा, तो इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. y is equals to tangent inverse 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 cos square theta. 2 is cancelled out by 2. Sin square upon cos square is tangent square. Root of tangent square is tangent. Tangent inverse of tangent theta by 2. So y is equals to theta by 2. What is theta? Theta is cos inverse x. dy upon dx is equals to 1 upon 2 as it is 1 minus of 1 upon 1 minus x square. स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर करेंगे 4, तो माइनस ऑफ 1/2 cos inverse x square का 1 upon 1 minus x square into 2x. रीजन बिहाइंड इट, x square का डेरिवेटिव पेंडिंग है, x square का क्या आ जाएगा 2x. सो माइनस ऑफ x अपॉन 1 minus x पावर 4. ठीक है, सिमिलरली इसको सोल्व करते हैं. z is equals to cos inverse x square को cos theta, z is equals to theta and theta is equals to cos inverse x square dz upon d theta dx, sorry, 1 minus 1 upon 1 minus x power 4 and derivative of x square is 2x. So dz upon dx is equals to minus of 2x upon under root of 1 minus x power 4. बस इन दोनों को डिवाइड करने आपका आंसर हो जाएगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 7.8. Differentiate x power x power cos x with respect to cos x power x. Okay, x power cos x, z is equals to cos x power x. बेटा ये दोनों में फंक्शन की पावर फंक्शन है, वेरिएबल की पावर वेरिएबल है, तो log, टेकिंग log ऑन बोथ साइड. दोनों में ही ये करना पड़ेगा. log y is equals to cos x into log x. log y 1 upon y dy upon dx. cos x as it is, log x का 1 upon x plus log x as it is, cos x का minus of sin x. So dy upon dx is equals to y into cos x upon x minus log sin x dot log x. ओके बेटा, बस y की वैल्यू पुट कर दीजिए यहाँ पे. dy upon dx is equals to x whole power cos x is cos x upon x minus sin x log x. सिमिलरली इसको सोल्व करना है, टेकिंग log on both side. log of z is equals to x dot log of cos x. 1 upon z dz upon dx. x log of cos x का 1 upon cos x, cos का डेरिवेटिव माइनस ऑफ साइन प्लस log of cos x as it is, x का 1. So dz upon dx is equals to minus of x tangent x plus log of cos x into z. So dz upon dx is equals to cos x whole power x into this one. So overall dy upon dz, dy upon dz, dy upon dx is divided by dz upon dx. Put the value of both. X power cos x upon x minus sin x dot log x is divided by cos x whole power x into log x minus x tangents. ये आपका आंसर है बेटा. ओके, सॉल्व एक्सरसाइज 7.8.